This is my go-to brow tinting routine. I'm using RefectoCil in shade 3, which is natural brown, as well as the cream developer, which is the 3% 10 volume. I usually just eyeball this step, but please do read the instructions before you were to use this. I don't know if you use this tool to mix, but I did struggle, so I ended up using the brush that I'm going to apply it with. And then I just brush through my brows. Then after that, I just start applying the product to get the shape of my brows. And of course I messed on myself as per usual, but luckily it wipes off easily. Then I just go ahead and fill in my brows and make sure all of my hairs are fully saturated with the product. Then you leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. You grab some cotton pads, wet it with warm water, and then you softly wipe off the product until your brows are clean. I honestly love the natural and effortless look this product gives my brows. I definitely recommend.